Well, first of all, I went over last year to Huntstyle Farm near North Petherton, and you came there, Kirsten came there, and suggested to us that we might like to come on this once monthly to the Quantocks, and so I did. Being back on the Quantocks, it helps me relax. It's so peaceful up here. I don't feel any pressure from anybody, and it's just so nice. And I go down and I've done something worthwhile, and I've even come up and shown my husband where we've done work on the wall and in the bluebell wood and done things like that, and he just really likes, did like that, and it helps everybody to come to terms with their own fears and inner worries, and I would encourage more people to come up here and to get involved and come on up, because we're nice people, and it's so nice being here.